I wanted to look at the pictures from my last trip to see what kind of lenses I've used for the photos and what percentage did I use telephoto, what percentage did I use a wide angle, and what percentage did I use a max aperture to help me sort of figure out what lens I want to bring to the next trip. And I didn't want to go into Lightroom or any software. I just want to do this in Windows. So any of these properties you see for a picture, you can actually search for it. So for example, focal length. And the keyword here is usually the same words, just without the space. So for example, if we go focal length less than 50, this will pull up 52 pictures that was taken with a kit lens. And I can see, so I took 52 pictures with a kit lens out of, well, to be more precise, if I narrow it down to the Sony camera, I took 29 pictures with a sort of wide angle kit lens. And that's out of a total of 168 pictures picked out. And also, if you want to search for f-stop, it's just f-stop. And again, if I want to find out which pictures did I take with a wide aperture, I can just search for f-stop less than 4, for example. And you can do something more complicated. So here I actually narrow down with camera maker Sony. And if you look at a picture's properties, there should be a camera maker. Yeah, so again, just take the name, remove the space. What if you want to search for a range? The Windows range is kind of funny. It's the ... So I think dash means something else in the search. So if I want to find focal lengths between 55 and 89, I just go 55.89. That's going to find all the photos. That's not my telephoto lens, not my 90mm, but also bigger than my 50mm. So these are all kit lens. And we can see there's only 3 images taken at basically the longest end of my kit lens, 70mm. And so I guess I didn't use the long range that much, but surprisingly these photos turned out really well. So maybe next trip use more of the 70mm from the kit. Anyway, if you want to sort of hear the full rationale on how I decided what to bring for my next trip, that'll be in the next video.